Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 7, 1915, Chastisements. The children of the church will be her fiercest enemies. The thought of the scourges and of the fact that I might foment them by going out of that state by myself pierced my heart. The confessor continued not to be well. I prayed and cried, and I could not make up my mind. Blessed Jesus would come like a flash and then run away, leaving me free. Finally, moved to compassion, he came, and compassionating and caressing all of me, told me,
"My daughter, your constancy conquers me. Love and prayer bind me and almost wage battle against me. Therefore I have come to be with you for a little while, for I could resist no more. Poor daughter, do not cry. Here I am, all for you. Patience, courage, don't lose heart. If you knew how much I suffer, but the ingratitude of creatures forces me to do this, their enormous sins, their incredulity, almost wanting to challenge me. And this is the least. If I told you about the religious side, how many sacrileges, how many rebellions, how many pretend to be my children, while they are my fiercest enemies. These false sons are usurpers, self-interested and incredulous. Their hearts are bilges of vice. These very sons will be the first to wage war against the church. They will try to kill their own mother. Oh, how many of them are already about to come out into the field. Now there is war among governments and countries. Soon they will make war against the church, and her greatest enemies will be her own children. My heart is lacerated with sorrow, but in spite of all this, I will let this storm pass by, and the face of the earth and the churches be washed by the blood of the same ones who have smeared them and contaminated them. You too, unite yourself to my sorrow. Pray and be patient in watching this storm pass by.
But who can say my torment? I felt I was more dead than alive. May Jesus be always blessed, and may his holy will be always done.